Hello, we're going to start a new topic today. It's called volume. Volume has a lot of descriptions, but in maths, it's a word which we use to describe three-dimensional space. And you've had words like area before, and it's all about flat space, like two-dimensional space. But now we're going to look at three-dimensional space. To count up space, we count how many cubes or little blocks can fit into a shape. Each little cube looks like this. This one is measured in centimetres, 1 centimetre by 1 centimetre by 1 centimetre high. And that little cube has a volume of 1 cubic centimetre. And you'll see the centimetre has a little 3 above it. The cubes measure 1 by 1 by 1 centimetre. Each cube is called a cubic centimetre. It's very important that you understand what it's called and how to say it and how to write it down. So for example, this little block here has 1, 2, 3, 4 little cubes. So it's the cubes, the actual cubes you count, not just the faces. So we would say the volume of that cube is 4 cm3, 4 cubic centimetres. So if we look at this block here, it has 1, 2, 3 cubes. So we would say the volume is 3 cubic centimetres. Okay. Then we look at this one. It has 1 on the top, 2, 3, 4, 5 cubic centimetres. Now we look at this one here, and it has like 2 layers, one on the front and one on the back. So we could count it front and back. We'll do that first. So we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 on the front, and there's exactly 7 on the back. So the volume of this is 14. The other way we could count it is doing in like layers from top to bottom. So on the top we have 4. And another 4 is 8. And on the bottom layer we have 6. So 4 and 4 and 6 also makes 14. It has to make the same answer as before. Either way, the answer for this one is 14 cubic centimetres. Now this one's a little bit unusual because the top layer, there's only one cube there. This is empty at the back. So I'm going to go top to bottom. So the top has 1 single cube. The middle layer has 1, 2, 3. And the bottom layer has 1, 2, 3. And just be careful what you're counting. You're counting the layers. So you've got 1 and 3 makes 7. So you could also count it front to back. You could say there's 5 on the front and just 2 at the back. 5 and 2 also makes 7. So the volume of that piece is 7 cubic centimetres. I'm going to show you something on the laptop now. This is from a program that you're going to look up called My Maths. So for this top one here, where are we? So you count the cubes. 1 on the top, another 1, 2, 3, 4 cubic centimetres. Oh, why did that go in? 4. My computer's a little bit slow this morning, don't know why. Okay, for this one, we have got 1, 2, 3, then 2, then 1. So 3, add 2, add 1 is 6. Oh, wrong place. 6. Is that right now? 6. And you see they have already written the unit for you on the screen. For this one, we have got 1, 2, 3, another 3, another 3, and another 3. So that is 3. Add 3 is 6. Add 3 is 9. Add 3 is 12. You might have noticed a quicker way to count that would be say 3 times 4, which would be good. This bottom one you have got a row of 3, add one more is 4. This one you would take more time with. So at the front you have 2, then you have 1, then you have a row of 3, and then you have this one on the outside. So that's 2, add 1 is 3, add another 3 is 6, and this one is 7. So mark those and see how we got on. So, and have a little look and see if they've changed them. No, they just look exactly the same. So if we go to number 5, sometimes you have to estimate. Now what I'm going to ask you to do today is to find some boxes in your kitchen, like cereal boxes or just washing powder boxes, and I'm going to get you to measure them, and we're going to find the volume of those boxes. So, and also you're going to look at this site and have a read through what the volume means, okay?